Foot to the floor. Still to the floor. Off. To the floor. Off. Cruising around some turns. Shift into fifth once it gets to 50. To the floor. That was slightly uphill, now I'm on a level ground. Off gas. To the floor. And off. Yes, I do realize it says check engine and it's PO303. Cylinder number 3 misfire, I understand it. I just wanted to demonstrate what it sounds like.